Hello, today I'm going to show you filters and how to use them in Microsoft Project. Okay, I have one simple project. You can see I added cost here, cost fields, and I can apply filters in many ways. So, first of all, in each and every view, like I'm here in Gantt chart view, but I can also use task usage view with whichever view I want. I can apply filter direct here. So let's say I want to choose to filter only task for design. I'm going here and I will say don't select all, I will deselect all, and I will say phase 1 design, phase 2 design, phase 3 design, and phase 4 design. Okay, now I have only those tasks. You will see that the filter is applied here, okay? Here you know that you have filters, so if I want to deselect the filter, I can go here and say, okay, select all. And after that, I will get all. Once again, I will choose design tasks, and I will show you that I can also use other filter, not only task name, but let's say that for tasks which are about design, which I filtered already, I want only tasks for design in which John is assigned. So I'm going to choose resource name and I will say, okay, select all and say John. Okay, I will select John. You will see that only in phase 1 design and phase 2 design, John is here. And I can say, okay, but I want to see to which tasks is John assigned of design tasks, which cost $25,000. Here it is, and I have only one task. So if I want to get back and have all tasks, once again, select all, okay. But here, first of all, I will select all here, then I will select all here, and I will select all here. But I already have them done because I already selected all. So I have everything here. This is about simple thing. Let's go here and let's choose cost table. Here I can select the same thing as well, but on different values. Now I'm in cost, so let's skip it. So I can go and say I want only design, okay, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and phase 4. But for, let's say, which have okay, let's say total cost, which are 25,000. Sorry. I will deselect all and I say 30,000 and 63,400. And here it is. So you got the point. Now let's back, select all, select all. This is about simple filters. Now I'm going back to my Gantt chart view and let's say that I want tasks, but which have, on which John is assigned and which costs more than, let's say, well, $25,000 or $30,000. So I can go here in filter. In filter, in view tab in filter, I can choose, I have a lot of filters which are already created. So I can say, give me critical tasks. So I will get only tasks which are on critical path. I can go here and say, I want tasks which are late. Of course, I will get only tasks which are late according to today's date, etc., etc. So look here on more filters, and you will see that there is a lot of filters which are predefined for you. Okay, now I will say, give me all tasks, and I will have all of them. Or if I applied one task, let's say one filter, let's say critical, if I want to know to see all tasks again. If I want to deselect filter, I can go here in filter and use no filter. But also, you will see that I have some custom filters. How to create custom filter? I will go to new filter, okay? Here, once again, cancel. Filter, here, and I will have new filter. And I will give a filter name. So let's say that I want tasks for John's. John's tasks which costs more than $27,000. This is the name of filter. Now, I should select, I should put here what the filter criteria will be. I will going to choose field name. I have a lot of fields. I will say here cost. And I will say cost which are, does not equal mean they are not equal to some value. Equal is exact value. I want to greater than 27,000. So now I will say it's greater than, and I will put the value 27,000. And this is not enough, because if I apply this filter now, you will see that I have tasks which are assigned to John, okay, 30,000, and Jim and Tim, but I don't want that. So I'm going here, I will go to more filters, and I will here edit this task. And I will say, and resource name equal, and now I can choose John. Save, apply, and I get nothing. Why? Let me go back and clear filter, because in this task is John and Mary are assigned. So I should modify this filter once again. So I will go here and I will say more filters. I will use John's task. I will edit it and I will say not equal. I will say contains John. So I need tasks which has cost greater than 27,000 and contains John. So if I apply here, I will get what I wanted. So this task contains John. And where is the difference between contains and is equal? Equal means that in this field, John should be the only resource. When I say contains, it means that John should be inside, no matter if some other resource inside. So let me show you how to erase those filters. How to erase? I don't need it anymore. If I go here and I say more filters, and I have, okay, John task, I don't have possibility to delete this. If I go to edit, I also cannot delete that, this filter. So what should I do? I should go to organizer, and you will see that those tasks, those specific filters are here. So I'm going here and I will say delete it, okay? Yes, and now I don't have it anymore and I will close it. But let's say, and I will now say, okay, if I go here, I will get it. If I go here, so it is not deleted, and I go to more filters once again, and I have, okay, organizer, and I will have to delete it once again. Are you sure to delete this? Yes, close, and then no filter, and then I will save the project, okay? Save the project. And then my filter is going to be deleted. But now let's say that I want, for example, I put this task, for example, that is 50% done. Let's say that this is also 50% done just for case, and this one is also 50% done, okay? Now, let's say that I want tasks which are 50% or more done and costs more than 10,000. So here you will see that I have this task which is 50% done and it costs $25,000. And I have also, let me here, percentage of complete, here 50% done task, which costs $16,000, and this one which costs $9,600. So what if I want to get, for example, just for example, tasks which are 50% or more done, okay, completed, but they total cost is more than $10,000. So why in my case, I want to exclude this one. I'm going to view, I'm going to filter, I'm going to more filters, and I'm going to say, okay, I want new one, and I will say, I don't want to show it in menu, because if I want to show it in menu, it will always be showed in menu, and I will say, okay, let's say tasks with equal or more than 50% done and cost more than 10,000, then I cannot, and cost, so I exceeded the limit 10K, okay? I will say, I need tasks which completed is greater than or equal to 10,000, 50%, and cost is greater or equal to, okay, 10,000. When I say save and apply, okay, to my filters, I will go to task, okay, apply. You will see I will have only 2 of them. And last but not least, where is the difference between tasks which have and or in value in statement? So let's go here and let's say new filter. And now I will repeat this one once again. I will say filter, okay, and I can put here, for example, filter that I will have tasks with 50% or more done or cost 10K or more, okay? I will here put that percentage of complete is greater than or equal to 50%, okay? And I will say or cost is greater than or equal to, so greater than or equal to $10,000. If I apply it, you will see that I will here have this task which is 50%, this task which is 50%, but also all other tasks which are 50% down no matter of what is the total cost, and in my case this is phase 3 development, which is 50% done but doesn't cost more than $10,000, and also I have other tasks which they don't have 50% or more percentage of complete, but they cost more than $10,000. So be very careful when you have those tasks. So let's say clear filter, and I will now get all my tasks. And last but not least, if you want to create a filter and you want to get it on all your future projects, Then you will go to here, you will go to more filters, and you will choose that filter here, or after you create, you will choose that. Let's say Ellen's task here, it is again here, organizer, and I will see here that task with here, those two tasks which are still visible here, they are not erased, are available here, and I can copy them to global template. If I copy them to global template and I save this project, when I open the new project, let's go here, tasks which are more 50% or more done or cost $10,000, the last one, I will copy them here, and it says it already exists, but I change it, so I will say yes, and now if I say, okay, close and close, when I open the new project, when I open the new project, come on, open my new project. Here it is. If I go to filter, I will have those tasks available. So it should be in global template. And this is all about filters. Once again, be very careful when you don't see, okay, when you don't see all tasks as expected here, for example, don't be worried. You will see that you don't have all tasks, first of all, by your numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, where is 5? It cannot be missed. 6, 7, 8, where is 9? Where is 10? 11, 12, 30, where is 14? Where is 15, 16? Where is 17? Where is 18? So look here, wherever you are, and if you don't see all your tasks, look at the view tab in filter and then go back and say, okay, clear filter or no filter at all. And you will get your all tasks back. So this is all about filters today. Thank you very much. Goodbye.